Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with Sitecore development, Cloud integration or enterprise implementation, then today's topic going to be very useful for you. Today we are going to talk about Sitecore Marketplace. What exactly it is, why it is important, and what kind of application and integration are already available there. And if you want to publish your own solution, what's the complete process look like? Here, lots of developers know about Sitecore as a CMS platform, but many people doesn't really know about the ecosystem around it. And the marketplace is actually very important part of the ecosystem. So let's start from the basic. First, we are going to talk about what is Sitecore Marketplace exactly. So, in a simple word, it is a platform where company, partners, developer can be publish a solution related to Sitecore, and this solution can be anything. It can be integration, connectors, escalator, reusable components, migration tools, development tools, and many type of application. So you can think about it like an app ecosystem for Sitecore. Instead of building everything from the scratch for every new project, we can use already available solution from the marketplace, and it help us to for the both cases time and effort base. Now let's understand why marketplace is important. In enterprise project, many companies, many projects face similar challenges. For an example, integrating with Sitecore with CRM system, analytics platform, a search tool, DAM system, or marketing automation tools. Without a marketplace, every team may end up building the same integration again and again. But with the marketplace, reusable solution already exists. So developer can save time, company can deliver project faster, and enterprise customer can use trusted solution instead of starting from the zero. This become even more important now because modern Sitecore architect is very becoming more composable and API driven, especially with the projects product like XMCloud, Content Hub, OrderCloud, search, and personalization. Different people use the market space for the different reason. Developer can use to find reusable tool and escalator. Agencies can use it for showcase the enterprise and reusable products. Enterprise client use it to discover the trusted ecosystem solution. And solution company use it to integrate their own platform with Sitecore. So it is not technical only. It is very important for from the business and ecosystem point of view. Now, let's talk about the type of solution available in market space. One common category is integration and connector. For an example, Salesforce integration, analytics integration, DAM integration, search integration. Then there are escalators and starter kits. This may help start the project faster. There are also reusable UI components, templates, personalization widgets, and authoring enhancement. Some companies also publish the DevOps and development tools, and migration utilities are also very common. Basically, if you build something reusable that can help multiple Sitecore projects, it can be potential become a Sitecore market space solution. Now, let's talk about the most interesting part. How can you publish your own application or solution in Sitecore Marketplace? The first thing is understanding that this is not just about the uploading the code. You are basically publish a product for enterprise customer. So your solution should look professional and production ready. Usually you need proper documentation, installation step, screenshot, compatibility information, support detail, and clear explanation of the problem and what the solution you are giving. Then you create your marketplace listing. You can add your product information, categories, tag, screenshot, and other required details. After submission, there is usually a review and approval process. Sitecore may review quality, compatibility, documentation, and overall usefulness of the solution and how it is related to Sitecore. Sometimes feedback or revisions are requested before the approval. And once everything is approved, your application become available in the marketplace. Now, let's also discuss about some common mistake. One big mistake is poor documentation. Even a good technical product can fail if setup instructions are confusing and not clear. Another mistake is which I notice is creating something too project specific. It should be reusable, so generic. Marketplace solutions should ideally be reusable across multiple projects. Support and version compatibility are also important there, especially in the cloud environment where the platforms are evolving. So, always think about long term when building a marketplace solution or product. If you want your marketplace solution to perform well, here are few best practice points. Focus on solution that solve the real problem properly. Keep installment simple. Create strong documentation. Add demo videos and screenshot as many as possible. And explain both technical and business values clearly. Because enterprise customers are care about outcomes, not only the features. At the future, marketplaces are becoming more important in modern composable ecosystem. We will probably see more AI integration, cloud native tools, headless escalators, personalization extension, and automation focused solution. So the ecosystem around the Sitecore will continue growing, and it is growing very fast. So yeah, that's it. That's the basic overview of Sitecore Marketplace, what it is, why it is matter, and how developers and companies are publish their own solution there. So let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.